Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss part 44 of the important notes for biochemistry so that you can easily able to answer the one-liners and the MCQs in your exam. The transcription is the synthesis of the RNA from the DNA by the enzyme named as the RNA polymerase, which is actually a DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Transcription has higher error rate as compared to the replication process. RNA polymerase does not require the primer and cannot do proofreading. RNA polymerase activity is basically in the 5' to 3' direction. Now holoenzyme. Holoenzyme of the RNA polymerase basically contains the subunit as over here, as you can see, this is the core enzyme, and this core enzyme basically combines with the sigma factor and forms the holoenzyme. So over here we have totally subunit as 2 alpha units, or we can say 2 alpha subunits, 1 beta subunit, 1 beta dash subunit, 1 omega subunit, and 1 sigma factor. Okay. Alpha and the omega subunit is required for the enzyme assembly, while the beta subunit has catalytic activity. Beta dash subunit is required for the template binding and the sigma factor for initiation or recognizing the promoter. Alpha alpha beta beta dash omega makes the core enzyme. Okay, alpha alpha beta beta dash omega makes the core enzyme, and they are represented as capital E. So this capital E or the core enzyme, okay, and the sigma factor combines and forms the holoenzyme, and this holoenzyme is basically required for correct initiation of the transcription, okay, and it basically acts by binding to the promoter. Prokaryotes have single RNA polymerase. Types of RNA polymerase in the eukaryotes are type 1. Now this type 1 RNA polymerase synthesizes all ribosomal RNA except the 5S rRNA. Type 2 RNA polymerase basically synthesizes the mRNA, microRNA, long non-coding RNA, few snRNA, that means small nuclear RNA, or SNORNA. What is SNORNA? That means a small nucleolus RNA or small nucleolar RNA. Now type 3 RNA polymerase basically synthesize 5S rRNA, tRNA, few small nuclear RNA, and small nucleolar RNA. Mitochondrial RNA polymerase synthesize the mitochondrial RNA. Now template strand. Template strand is basically the strand where the gene is present, also known as the antisense, non-coding, or the minus strand. Non-template strand, they are also known as the sense, coding, or the plus strand. Now RNA polymerase first binds with the promoter region, okay, and this basically helps in the initiation, but the promoter region is not transcribed, remember. The Tata box. Tata box in the prokaryotes are known as the Pribnow box, and they are present at the -10 position on the DNA. Now what does this mean? This means that this particular location is 10 base pairs upstream to the transcription start site, or the TSS. Okay. The Tata box in the eukaryotes are known as the Hogness box. Okay, and they are present at the -25 position on the DNA, which actually means that this location is 25 base pairs upstream to the transcription start site. Now the -35 sequence. Now this is basically present only in the prokaryotes. Okay, and this is basically 35 base pair upstream to the transcription start site. Now the cart box or the -75 sequence. Now in the eukaryotes this is basically present. Okay, and over here this is basically present 75 base pairs upstream to the transcription start site. Okay, this is the cart box. Regulatory sequence are present on the coding strand, okay, in the 5' to the 3' sequence. The first base at the transcription start site is given +1 number. There is no base designated as 0. The base to the left or towards the 5' end, okay, are assigned as negative number or called as the upstream. Okay, so are you getting that? Means over here the first base at the transcription start side. Okay, this is the transcription start side. So first base over here, okay, is given +1 number. There is no base designated as 0. Okay, and the bases to the left or towards the 5 prime and are assigned as the negative. Okay, these are the -10, -35, -25, negative or the -75. We discussed about this before, right? So bases on the to the left or towards the 5 prime end of this are or the transcription start site are assigned negative number or called as the upstream, right? So today up till here we'll discuss about the further important notes in our next video. Thank you so much.